Today I will be testing the GC101H metal detector I bought from Aliexpress, and I will be testing it for screws and nails, so brad nails and staples. These are the things that you would see in a piece of wood. Let's see how it works. There's two settings. One of them, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's making a buzzing sound, so it actually vibrates in the handle, so it detects the screwdriver, no problem. If I put it on this mode, when it detects, it makes a audible sound, and so the detection distance is a few inches, so maybe 50 millimeters. Oh, not bad. So let's try it with a screw. So this is something that you might find in a piece of wood. So it doesn't detect this way. It does detect while sweeping, but very close. So this way it doesn't detect. Okay, let's try another screw. Again, you need to be very close. It does detect, but it's okay. So the uses might be limited for that. I try a brad nail. Let's see if we can detect it at all. Nope. So that's no good. Try a larger brad nail. And again, oh, just detects it at very close proximity, less than 10 millimeters. So not the best detection for what I want to do. It's adequate for trying to detect some change in a pocket, for example. So let's try a quarter. Not a problem. Okay, so let's open this up and see if we can make an adjustment from the inside or what. So I don't even know how to open it up now. There might be some screws underneath. Let's see. Oh, there we go. A few screws here. I'm just wondering if that indeed is the sensitivity adjustment, and I hope it is. Okay, so nothing for the screw. Let's try this little adjustment, see what it does. Right, so it doesn't seem to improve anything. Let's try the other way. Well, that doesn't work. Right, so that's much more sensitive. Let's try this now. Oh, still nothing. Oh, wait. Oh, that's interesting. Nothing that way. Okay, so that works for a nail like that. Let's try a small one here. I'm impressed. Let's try to tweak it a bit more. Make it really annoyingly sensitive. Oh yeah. That's... I'm not even sure what's it... Well... No, it's just unstable. So, much more sensitive. Might even be a little too much sensitive. Wow. So now this would be adequate for scanning for nails, small nails in a wood for planing. So I'm impressed. Alright, so let's close it up now. Let's try the smaller brad nail. I can detect no problem now. Let's see if we can put the other screws in and still have a workable unit. Secondly, let's see if we can improve upon that. Well, it now will detect. We're very, very close. So I was able to get adjust a metal detector to detect this small nail. So you don't need to open it up. The adjustment is right here, and there's a hole there, and you can see the screw. So all you need is a small screwdriver to fit it in. You can adjust the sensitivity right from there. So all in all, very easy to adjust, and I'm going to be able to detect nails and screws and what have you in my wood before I put it in a planer or some other tools. So that's going to save me some aggravation, I'm pretty sure. When you turn it on, it does take a little while to settle. There are more videos to come, so please subscribe.